January 2025, an unknown Chinese company releases an artificial intelligence. The next day, NVIDIA, the world's most valuable company, loses 17% of its value. Billions evaporate in hours. Silicon Valley enters panic mode. What happened? This is the story of DeepSeek, the AI that changed everything. Hello, I'm Nova, and today I'm going to tell you one of the biggest plot twists in artificial intelligence history. Buckle up because this story will give you chills. Let's rewind a bit. In recent years, everyone believed that to build a powerful AI, you needed billions of dollars. OpenAI spent over $100 million just to train ChatGPT, Google, even more. Meta, astronomical investments. Everyone followed the same formula. The bigger the investment, the better the AI. The more processing power, the smarter the model. It was a technological arms race. And who was leading? American companies. NVIDIA sold the chips that everyone needed. Each H100 GPU cost tens of thousands of dollars. Big tech bought thousands of them. NVIDIA was on top of the world. But in January 2025, a Chinese company called DeepSeek appeared out of nowhere and said, "You don't need to spend that much." DeepSeek launched the R1 model, an artificial intelligence that competed head-to-head with the best Western models. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. DeepSeek R1 was on the same level. But here comes the shock. While OpenAI spent over $100 million, DeepSeek spent less than $6 million. You heard that right. Less than $6 million. More than 100x cheaper. When this news broke, the market froze. If DeepSeek managed to do this, spending so little, that meant the entire business model of big tech was wrong. The day after the announcement, NVIDIA's stock plunged 17% in a single day. That represented a loss of over $500 billion in market value. Why did this happen? Simple. If you don't need thousands of expensive GPUs to create powerful AIs, then NVIDIA won't sell that many chips. But the question everyone asked was, how did DeepSeek pull this off? The answer lies in a technique called model distillation. Let me explain in simple terms. Imagine you have a super experienced teacher. This teacher knows everything, but it's expensive to keep him working. Now imagine you take that teacher and ask him to teach a younger student. The student learns everything the teacher knows, but in a more compact, more efficient way. In the end, you have a student who knows almost as much as the teacher, but costs much less to maintain. That's exactly what DeepSeek did. They took large models that already existed, like ChatGPT and Gemini, and used them as teachers to train smaller and more efficient models. But there's more. DeepSeek also used a technique called open source. They released the model's code for everyone to see and use. This means that any person, anywhere in the world, can take DeepSeek's model and improve it or use it to create new products. And there's another controversial detail. The United States banned the sale of more advanced NVIDIA chips to China. It was an attempt to slow down Chinese AI development. But DeepSeek proved that this doesn't work. They managed to create a world-class AI using cheaper chips and smarter techniques. This sparked a huge debate. Is China circumventing American sanctions? Are Chinese companies getting banned? Chips through smuggling, or are they really that efficient? The truth is probably somewhere in between. DeepSeek used chips that were still allowed, but applied techniques much smarter than competitors. And the impact was immediate. Developers worldwide started downloading DeepSeek's model. Companies began testing. Startups saw an opportunity to create AI products without spending fortunes. OpenAI and Google went on high alert. If a Chinese company achieved this spending? So little. What's stopping other companies from doing the same? Suddenly, the narrative shifted. It's no longer about how much you spend. It's about how you spend it. Efficiency became the new buzzword. And NVIDIA, after the initial shock, the stock recovered somewhat. But the message was clear. The future of AI doesn't depend only on expensive hardware. It depends on intelligence and creativity. DeepSeek proved that countries and companies that aren't American giants can compete in the AI race, and they can compete spending less. This is revolutionary because it democratizes access to technology. Universities, startups, developing countries now have a chance to create their own AIs without needing billion-dollar budgets. But there's a concerning side too. If creating powerful AIs became this much cheaper, that means more players can develop these technologies, including players who might not have the best intentions. Governments worldwide are watching this closely. The AI race is no longer just technological, it's geopolitical, and DeepSeek became the symbol that China won't fall behind in this race. On the contrary, they're showing they can innovate in ways the West didn't expect. So, what does this mean for you? It means artificial intelligence will become more accessible, more companies will be able to use it, more products will emerge, and competition will get more fierce. The DeepSeek story is proof that, in technology, nobody has guaranteed victory. An unexpected competitor can always show up and change everything. And you, what did you think of this story? Leave in the comments if you think DeepSeek really changed the game, or if it was just a passing scare. If you liked the video, drop that like and subscribe to the channel for more insights about artificial intelligence. Share with that friend who loves technology. I'm Nova, and I'll see you in the next video.